yourself the gift of renewed health and wellness this Mother's Day. I'm Sophie Iuliano. I'm a New York Times best-selling author, holistic nutritionist, and wellness coach. And I'm inviting you to attend the Gorgeous for Good Weekend Wellness Intensive in Los Angeles, June 9th and 10th, where you will join with me for a weekend that honestly you cannot afford to miss. Now, we are talking a gift bag valued at over $1,000 full of beauty and wellness goodies. Over 12 hours of learning about nutrition, fitness, meditation, hormone balance, home detoxification, green beauty, and more. And this is information that you're not going to find anywhere else. You're going to work with me personally to help craft your wellness goals and bond with a group of like-minded women who will become your wellness family and support for life. Over a decade ago, I was joined by Oprah and Julia Roberts to kickstart the Gorgeously Green movement globally. And over 10 years later, we're taking Gorgeously Green to the streets with this special weekend event. Now, I have a special Mother's Day deal for you. If you use the coupon code MOTHER30 between now and Mother's Day, you're going to get 30% off the cost of any ticket. We have one-day passes available, full weekend tickets, and VIP bundles. And if you buy your ticket using this coupon code MOTHER30, you will be automatically entered to win an upgrade to the VIP bundle. So do not delay. Please register, grab your ticket, get your seat, pick your ticket, tell your friends and family, because honestly, my friends, this is the Mother's Day gift that will keep on giving. I hope to see you there.